Hi students, Namaste. Okay, some of the students keep asking me just to give some more stress upon how the integers are added. Okay, I thought I'll give a class on addition of integers. Of course, not only you, and even the higher class children also, they have doubt in addition of integers, and even that gives a major problem while solving the questions. Suppose you are solving a big question, and in between you make a small funny small mistake of this addition of integers. The mistake is very small, but the problem it makes, then sometimes you may be not able to solve that question just because of this problem. Okay, I understand your difficulty, so I thought of giving you one small stress over there. Okay, just so addition of integers. You will see here the addition of integers when we add two positive integers, how it becomes, and when we add two negative integers, how it becomes, and if the integers are added, positive and negative mixed together, what will be the result? Only these three cases we will see that. So case 1, two positive integers. Okay, now here we are going to have some assumption. For positive integer, we are going to have one, say star, and for negative integer, we are going to have the dot. And when a star and dot comes together, they will get vanished. Okay, this assumption you should have. Okay, a star and a dot, they get vanish each other. I have given already in another class that positive and negative. Positive is a Tom and negative is a Jerry, like that. Another one story is there, very big story, and I will tell you later. In that another class I have said, you can just see that link on it. Now see that positive is that a star and negative is that, say, a dot. Let us see that. Okay, now so the case 1, when two positive integers, suppose here 4 is an integer, another one integer 3. So both are positive. Yes, of course. Say positive, we have this one, this one. And normally for the positive integers, they denoted without any sign. That you know very well. Yes, yes. Now if you want to add these plus 4 and plus 3. Sometimes this plus will not be given and this need not be said. Then how to add? 4, we are going to add this. For this add, we are going to add this 3. This also positive integer, this also positive integer, and this is the symbol for addition. This is the symbol for addition we have given. Yes. Then how it will become? We should. So for positive, we'll have star 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 positives. And for this is also positive. 3, 1, 2, 3. Now for the result. Now as we have seen, one star eats up one dot. One star eats up one dot, just like a starfish catches a small dot fish and eats it away. They both go away out of the scene. Now is there any cases like that? The stars are there. Is there any dots? Then will any star catch up any dot? Yes, no, not at all. There is no dots at all. Then all the stars will be waiting for some dots. Yes, correct. So it will become how many stars? It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 stars. Star how many? 7. And normally we know that for the star or positive, we will not give that. And yes, that's all. This is the addition of a positive integer with another positive integer. Yes, have you understood? Yes. Now case 2. A negative integer with another negative integer. The case is the same, but still you will see that for this one. Just say one example. Okay, right. Minus 5 and minus 5 and minus 3. So it's minus 5. Is it a negative integer? Yes. And what about minus 3? Yes, this is also a negative integer. Now let's see if they are added together, what will become? Yes, we will write that minus 5 is to be added with minus 3. This negative integer minus 5, negative integer minus 3, and they both are to be added. The operator. Yes, the operator. Okay? Yes. Now let us see what will happen. Now for negative we are representing with the dots. First, how many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many dots are there? 5 dots. Then next we are going to add these 5 dots with how many dots? 3 dots. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Now, are there any stars to catch the dots? No. Then will any dot go away? No, not at all. Then how many will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The dots will be how many? 8 dots will be there. So dots represent, what is it? So both all are minus. So minus. So minus means we have to definitely we have to put minus. You have to differentiate. So normally it is taken that positive means we need not give, but negative we have to represent. Otherwise there will be confusion whether it is a positive or negative. Okay, right. So now the case 3, we'll see that case 3 is very important for a negative and positive, or positive and negative. Two different integers of sign different. Yes, if you have the integers of two different signs, what will happen? Then suppose for example you see here, say add 7 and minus 5. 7 and minus 5. So which are the integers here? One is 7. Is 7 a positive integer or negative integer? It's positive. And what about this? It's negative. So if you add this one, this addition operator, so you are going to do that 7 and minus 5. So these are the integers. What are we going to do? What are we going to do? Add. Yes, correct. Correct. Now what is the operator for add? Addition. Yes, plus. So operator. Then when you add here, let us see 7. 7, is it represented by a star or dot? Correct, star. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 stars. 7 star. Yes, 7 star. Then 5. 5 what? Yes, you are correct. 5 dots. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Now what we have assumed that one star eats one dot. One star will eat one dot and will vanish from there. It will not remain there. Okay, let us see. One star and one dot. So eats up and get vanished from there. Another one star, another one dot. Eats up and vanish from there. Another one star, another one dot. Eats up and vanish. And another one star, another one dot. Eats up and vanish from the scene. And another one star, another one dot. Eats up and vanish from the scene. Now we are left with, what are we left with? 2 stars. Yes. Do they have dot to eat? No. Say we have got stars. How many stars? 2. Star means positive. We need not give also. And that will be, so the sum of, when we had a positive integer of 7 and a negative 5 plus 7, and minus 5, when added together, we get positive 2. And suppose if you have to add, say, minus 3 and plus 4, what do you get? Here also the case is a negative and positive. The previous was a positive integer and a negative integer added. Here the case is a negative integer is added to positive integer. Let's see how it becomes. Say, for that you see minus 3 plus 4. Yes. Okay, say, come on. 1, 2, 3. 3 dots for this minus 3 and 4. Yes, you are correct. 4 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Yes. Now let us see. One hits and go away. Another one hits and go away. Another one hits and go away. What is left? Yes, you are left with 1. Is that star or dot? 1 star. So we need not give this how. Okay, same. So what we have understood from here now, if the addition is of the integers of same sign, we can add them and put the same sign. If the addition is for the integers of same sign, say add them, add the numbers without sign and put the same sign. And if the addition is of the integers of different sign, then find the difference between the numbers and put the sign of greater one. Difference between the numbers and put the sign of greater one here. So this is about the addition of integers. I hope hereafter you will not get any confusion in the addition of integers. Yes? Yes, you are correct. Very good. Okay, now this will not make any problem in your academic career and you will be able to wonders, my children. Okay, all the best. Thank you.